Before we start, we need to make sure that the top of the tool rest is as smooth as a baby's bottom, so that the tool can move across the wood unimpeded. We are going to start by cutting the male thread. It is a good idea to practice by using an old candle, and in this way you can develop a lightness of touch and realize you don't have to push hard into the wood with the tool to get a good result. Whether you're cutting a male or female thread, you always need to start by putting a chamfer at the beginning of the thread to allow the tool to get started. The tool is at center height, and as you begin to strike the thread, gradually bring the cutter so that it is parallel with the work. When you see the thread developing, gradually raise the handle of the tool so the tool is pointed downwards slightly. Not all woods are suitable for thread chasing. Box and beech wood are fine. I prefer to drill the hole rather than turn it, because for me that is the best guarantee of a straight side. This tool is used to cut a groove in the sidewall at the end of the hole you've just drilled. This stops the cutting tool from hitting the bottom of the hole. The cutting tools need to be sharp, and I use a ceramic stone or a leather wheel. Remember, only sharpen the top surface. I have already made a chamfer at the entrance and made the groove in the sidewall at the back, so we can start to chase the thread. Once the thread has been struck, the tool happily follows the grooves on its own. If the screw threads are a bit tight, sometimes a bit of candle wax helps. Well, I thought I'd come inside as it's a bit cold in the workshop. Well, here's the thing we've just done. It's very unusual that it goes first time. Normally you have to adjust one or the other. I prefer adjusting the male to size. If you make it slightly oversized to start with, you can also turn a thread in, cut it in plastic. This is something called faux ebony, and it takes a very good thread actually. So there we are. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and that's it.